documentary on cow leather production begins here, where one of the world's oldest natural materials is transformed into modern luxury goods through a precise industrial journey. Cows have supported human life for centuries, providing food and materials. Today, cowhide becomes a valuable byproduct processed in advanced factories, where technology and craftsmanship combine to create durable and premium leather used across global industries. The journey starts at farms, where cattle are raised under controlled conditions. Experts inspect animal health and hide quality to ensure premium output. Once selected, hides are transported in specialized vehicles to prevent damage. Speed is critical because fresh hides can deteriorate quickly. Proper logistics and handling at this stage help preserve fiber strength, which directly impacts the final quality of leather products. For the factory, raw hides enter preservation, where salt or cold storage prevents decay. This step protects the natural collagen fibers from bacterial damage. Workers then sort hides based on size, thickness, and surface condition. Careful grading ensures that each piece follows the right production path. This preparation stage is essential for achieving consistency in large-scale leather manufacturing operations. Next comes soaking, where hides are placed in large rotating drums filled with water and cleaning agents. This removes dirt, blood, and salt while restoring moisture. As drums rotate slowly, hides soften and regain flexibility. This rehydration allows chemicals to penetrate evenly later. Without proper soaking, the leather would develop uneven texture and reduced strength in future processing stages. The liming stage follows, where chemical solutions remove hair and unwanted proteins. Machines help scrape away loosened hair while opening up fiber structures. This process prepares hides for deeper chemical treatment by making them more absorbent. It also ensures cleanliness and uniformity. Liming is a crucial step that defines how well the material responds to tanning and finishing later on. Fleshing removes remaining fat, tissue, and muscle from the hide. Heavy-duty machines with rollers and blades perform this with high precision. The goal is to create a uniform thickness and clean underside. This improves processing efficiency and final product quality. Any leftover material could affect durability, so this step ensures a smooth, even base for the next stages. During splitting, hides are divided into layers. The top layer, known as full grain, is used for premium products due to its strength and natural texture. Lower layers are used for suede or secondary materials. Machines cut evenly, while operators monitor quality. Each layer is graded carefully to match specific product requirements in the manufacturing process. Tanning is the most critical transformation stage. Here, raw hides become durable leather using chemical agents. Large drums mix tanning solutions that bond with collagen fibers, preventing decay. This step gives leather its strength, flexibility, and long lifespan. Whether chrome or vegetable tanning is used, the goal is to stabilize the material for further processing. After tanning, leather is washed and neutralized to remove excess chemicals. It then undergoes retanning, dyeing, and fat lacquering. These treatments enhance strength, add color, and improve softness. Oils are infused into fibers to increase flexibility and durability. This stage determines how the leather feels and looks, making it suitable for luxury applications. Drying removes moisture under controlled conditions to prevent shrinking or damage. Leather is stretched and secured to maintain shape while drying evenly. Modern drying systems ensure consistent results. Once dry, the material is softened mechanically by bending and stretching, giving it a smooth and flexible texture ideal for crafting products. Surface finishing enhances appearance and durability. Buffing smooths imperfections, while coatings add shine and protection. Embossing rollers create textures and patterns for design variation. This stage allows manufacturers to customize leather according to market trends. The final look, color, and feel are defined here, making the leather visually appealing. In the cutting stage, advanced machines and skilled workers shape leather into precise components. Computer-guided systems optimize layouts to reduce waste. Each cut is carefully planned to maintain quality and consistency. These pieces are then organized and prepared for assembly, ensuring efficiency in the production workflow. Assembly brings products to life. Workers stitch, glue, and construct items such as bags, belts, jackets, and shoes. Precision sewing machines assist while artisans ensure detail and alignment. Every piece is carefully handled to meet design standards. This stage transforms processed leather into functional and stylish goods, ready for finishing. Polishing adds final touches to improve appearance and durability. Edges are painted, surfaces cleaned, and protective layers applied. These finishing details enhance product lifespan and visual appeal. Skilled workers ensure each item meets high standards before moving forward. This stage gives products their premium look. Quality control ensures only the best products reach customers. Each item is inspected for stitching accuracy, color consistency, and durability. Defective pieces are removed or corrected. Strict quality checks maintain brand reputation and customer satisfaction. This stage guarantees that every product meets global manufacturing standards. Finally, products are packaged carefully to prevent damage during transport. Protective materials and labeling ensure safe delivery. Items are shipped worldwide, reaching stores and customers. This marks the end of a complex journey from rawhide to finished product, ready for use in everyday life and luxury markets. The entire process reflects a blend of tradition and modern innovation. Each stage plays a role in transforming raw material into something durable and refined. Inside a modern cow leather factory, precision, technology, and skilled labor work together to produce high-quality goods that meet global demand.